Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the cart icon on your Shopify shop. So the cart icon being the little logo here. How can you change that? You'll need to code it actually a little bit. You can't just click on it and then change it from the website editor here. So the first thing you need to get a hold of is called an SVG file. That's going to be your logo. So you can get your SVG file anywhere you'd like. I have this website called SVG Repo. It's a free website where you can get a lot of logos free from here. I'm just going to use a random one just for an example. I'm just going to use this wallet one or this pack one instead. I'm going to download that. Once you've downloaded it, you're going to want to open this on your browser. I'm just going to open it here, like that. Once you've opened it on your browser like this, you want to right click and then inspect element. Now it may look a little intimidating, but what you want to do is just click on here on top on SVG, right click, copy, and then press copy outer HTML, just like that. Now let's go back to our Shopify shop. And then once you're on your admin dashboard on online store, themes, you want to click on the three dots here and then press on edit code. You want to scroll down onto snippets, and then on snippets, you want to find icon cart empty liquid, which is this one. Once you're here, just click that and it'll bring up this menu on the right here. Delete this one and then paste the code you just copied earlier. I'm going to paste that, just like that. Just let it be like this, and then let's save. Now let's see if the icon has been changed. There you go. Now the icon has been changed.